because we want to enter the lila and do our seva in our siddhadeha. Now we're doing smaran and trying to deepen our smaran and attain a level of dharana, and then if we can go beyond that and actually enter dhyan, well and good. But we have an objective. We want to see Krishna. We want to serve Krishna. If we're not missing something, if we're not feeling empty, if we're not missing something, then we won't look for fulfillment. If we feel full and we feel we're not missing anything, then we won't search for Krishna. So the heart of the Raganuga sadhaka is burning with a certain, his heart is burning with a certain light of anxiousness. He's very anxious because he wants to see Krishna. It's very nice, this pop singer, very famous singer, he sang a song and became very popular in the 70s among young people. My sweet Lord. He sang, my sweet Lord, O Bhagavan, O Madhurya Mai, O Shamsundar, I really want to see you. I really want to feel you. I really want to feel you. I want to know you. Very nice. So the Raganuga Bhakta, he has some passionate desire to get something he's missing. If we don't feel we're missing something, and something is empty in us, then it's called complacency. Oh, I have a nice wife, I have a nice husband, I'm making good money, I have a nice flat, I have a nice car, I have a nice guru, everything's nice. Then it's not nice. Because you're not feeling any necessity or any need to run and search. But we don't find that example in the Goswamis or any of the great devotees or any of the great acharyas. Their mood is something different. Their mood is, I'm empty, I'm devoid of anything. And they're just crazy, they want to see Krishna. Now if you have a particular agenda where you want people to do something, to make some institution or expand that, then you may not want to talk about such things. But actually the sum and substance, the very nature of bhakti is thirst. It's thirst. Thirst means you want water, you're drying up, you're dying, you're missing something, you're empty. So this is the life of the devotee, is he wants to see Krishna. I have to see Krishna, I want to see Krishna. Hey Radhe Brajadevike Chalalite, Hey Nanda Sunakuta, Goshanta Viti Sarvato Vrajapure, Kedar Mahavivalo, Mahavivalo. Where is the complacency here? Mahavival. Vival means totally ashankoch, disturbed. Greatly disturbed, greatly agitated. For what? To see Krishna. I want to see Krishna. If you're a bhakta, you must want to see Krishna. How is it possible? It's like some teenager, he's 15 years old, and he's just, guy's just crazy about looking at girls. And his father's telling him, don't look at girls. Just stop it. Just never look at girls. Just study your books. Don't look at girls. Don't think it. Don't do anything. Forget about them. He can't, he has to. Because that's the nature. So if bhakti is actually entered someone's heart, the nature of bhakti is make someone thirsty to see Krishna and Radharani. And if someone tells you, you can't see Krishna, don't see Krishna, don't try to see Krishna, this is against Bhakti Devi. This is an aspect of Yoga Maya. Yoga Maya creates thirst in the devotees. It's called, on the highest level, the thirst is called anurag. Radharani is anurag. Krishna is also anurag for Radharani. She's new at that's why we say Navayovan. Navayovan Radharani, Navayovani Radha. They're both eternally fresh, youthful. This is real love. Love makes you thirsty. You want more and more and more. Material man, woman, love, okay, That you do it this way, that way, that way. It just has a limitation. It has to be limited because it's based on the body, it's based on the mind, it's based on the heart. That's limited. But Atma Prem and Bhagavan Prem is unlimited. So this is not correct. How can you preach, be a devotee, chant Hare Krishna, serve Krishna, love Krishna, but don't want to see Krishna? Be a good person, get properly married, get married, now you're married, now don't touch your wife. Wait a minute, this is part of this position, this ashram. And this, so, because everyone that's religiously minded or pious minded, their curiosity is, they have curiosity. Who is this God? Okay, I'm religious, so I believe there's some God. Who is this God? Where is this God? How is He like? What is He like? What does He look like? Isn't it? I had that question when I was 5. I still have the question. They said, "Oh, you can see God in Vrindavan." So, I got some relief when I got a Krishna book in '74. They said, "Oh, God is in Vrindavan." Oh, where's that? That must be somewhere up by Mars or something. Oh no, it's in India. Huh? You can go there. And then 3 years later, I came. So this is where we can see Krishna, for sure. And anywhere, wherever we are doing bhakti, our bhakti should be driven by our thirst to see Krishna. I want to see Radha and Krishna. I want to enter their lilas. So then, Yogamaya, Purnamasi, Sita Devi, they play a big role in that. Because it's impossible. It's an impossible desire to fulfill on our own. So we need, as they say, we need all the help we can get. I need your help and your help and your help and your help. Everyone's help. I need Yogamaya's help. I need everyone's help. Vrishvasi's help. Brahman's help. That's why we say everywhere we go, mercy, mercy, kripa karo, kripa karo. It's like the Goswamis, like Raghunath Das Goswami, he would sometimes actually see the lilas and get lost in the lilas. And then come out and lose that vision, that spurti, that taste. He was in ecstasy, then it would diminish something. Oh, I have to have it. Like an addiction, an obsession, an addiction. This is bhakti. This means bhakti is in your heart. If you're like a drug addict, this heroin addict, if he doesn't get his heroin, he goes crazy. He'll do anything to get it, get money to get that. Rob, steal, kill, murder, anything. This is a very good sign